This is Liberty's stock number 50968. It is a Bridgeport Series 1 mill, and it is equipped with an Acu-Rite 2-axis CNC controller. Serial number on the mill is 237411.
We good?
Good.
Yeah, well, there's the front end, obviously, and as you just mentioned, yeah, the mill power control up here, whole front end, manual controls over here, and this guy here. So we'll do this under power in a minute, though. Just these go here. We can run the spindle a minute, go around the side, the back. You can show the control. Doors open here. Lubrication down low for what it's worth. Yeah, it's got the loop system on there. There's the main processor and the servo drives on the right. Yep. Some documentation on the door, nice to have. If you come around here, you can just show the connections. Maybe just keep coming around here. You can kind of show everything plugged in. The DRO feedback, the plug-in. This is my temporary plug-in right here. It's my temporary 3-phase plug-in right there. By the way, it's 220 volts, the spindle, the one that we're going to run. And come back up in front. Show you a few things here. All I'm really dealing with here is DRO and program for what it's worth right now. I'm not using setup. There's a lot of programs in here, and they all use these macros: rectangle, circle, line, arc, what have you. I've currently got a program in here. If you pull back a little bit, I'm going to go into DRO. I am in DRO. How about if I just hit move table, and that would be your rapid movement on X and Y. And I'm just going to hit the arrow, and we'll take off a little bit here. They sound nice. Go the other way. And you can see the readout, of course, but we made it a table at this point. We'll get the readout in a second, but there we go. Don't want to crash the vise, but we'll come back a little bit. And it doesn't matter where we leave it, because when I go to hit cycle start and auto cycle, it'll just go find its home and go there. Oh, feedback on Z, of course, is right here on the bottom line. There's no servo for it, but as you can see, the feedback works nice on the Acu-Rite scale. So as far as positioning is concerned, what have you. The program calls for Z because some of these machines have a servo on the 3rd axis, so I just have to kind of like step through it. It tells you to position Z and then move on. That's it there. We got a drawbar in here. I didn't put a collar or nothing. It'll run the spindle. Let's run the program first, show what we've got up here, which would be basically pull out of DRO, get into program, and you'll see a small circle come up there. My feed is kind of hard to see, 30%, so I'm at 30%. I'm going to hit cycle start for this program, and you kind of watch the graphics go around. Watch yourself, because that wheel's going to turn, Sean. And it tells you rapid move, raise the quill. So I'll step through that. It's positioning itself. You got it. And we're ready to go again. Press go for the quill, and this is going to take off. So watch either one. There's the graphics there. I've got it moving real slow. I can speed this up. We'll run it again. That's fast. That's 100%. That's 80%. Done. And we're done. One more time. Okay, raise the quill, get the quill out of the way, and hit go. That's really fast, but just do a circular, just a circle, basically. And if you want to pull back and see the hand wheels moving, same thing. We'll hit go again on that particular program. There they go. And for the sake of moving to a different program, I think it was called screen. Come on in over here for a second again. I'm just going to hit program. Oh, we're already there. Program functions. I want to load a program. There's lots of programs in here. As you can see, I'm going to scroll down. Screen was interesting. Let me go find S. It's all the way down here. Watch there, screen. And just for the sake of loading that program, we load. Do you want to cancel out the other one? Yes. And now we're in that program. And I'm just going to hit cycle start, pull back. It'll find its home, and we'll go into that process. And we'll do 1 or 2 of these little gasket-looking deals, and let's see how it all goes. And attention, raise quill, and go. Positioning, and move the axis again. I always want you to move the tool out of the way. And my feed is at 80. Let's go 120. We're not cutting anything, so So you can see this, and then for a little bit you can come in on the graphics screen too. And it sounds good. It's quiet, run good. Yeah, let's kind of watch that for a second. It's a long program, but you see it's mill line, mill arc, mill line, mill arc. All they're doing is running these macros as part of the step through on the program. So pretty basic. They work nice though. There you go. Can you see this one from there moving? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I can see the
yeah,
back
good.
side.
All right, sure. All right, we'll stop it right about there. Oh, it's asking me, it's probably going over to the next one now. Move, raise quill. Yeah, we're good. Raise quill and go. And, yep, make that happy. See, oh, there it goes. It's going over to the next one, see? So we'll leave it right there. That's a good pull, spot to pull out. We'll cancel out of that, stop, and we're back on DRO. We'll leave that alone. Let's run the spindle, and we'll call it a day here. Come off to the side here. Quill, like I said, the feedback works good. Let's run it up and down a little bit on the quill. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's all in good shape. Leave that right there. Power up, and what are we in, high? Yeah, we're in high. Let's start in low, and come back to high at the end. Just low. 100 RPM. I don't know if you can see it moving it at all. That's only 70. I'll bring it up high though. 150. It's 260 in low range still. We'll take it up to the red zone. 470. 4200. I'm sorry, that's high speed. 500. Bring them back down. It's going to sound the same way in high speed too, so. Other than we're picking up the center clutch. Bring it up here, lock it in. There we go. And we're running it up in high range now. Mid-range, 1800. Down low, then we'll go back up high. 700. I was going to put a cutter in there, I forgot, but you can't even see it moving. Give it a shot, there you go. And I'm going to take it up high now. That's 14. 18. 22. 26. This sounds nice. Can you see that? 24. 1400. Stop. We can go reverse. Same thing. Stop. Oh, we'll bring the quill feet in once too here. I have it on. That's on. Not too far away. Bring it in one time. Got to latch up. Auto kick off. And that goes back up. That's it. I mean, it all works. It's a good running machine. We're done here.